Greetings, fellow dragon fruit growers. This is Paul, and today I'm going to show you for some signs to look for to see if your dragon fruit is ripe. Now, this is a beautiful dark star here, and you can see the first thing that I look at, and I've learned this from Wallace Ranch, is the cone right here, and I look for any cracks at all. So this is not cracked, it's on there still a little tight, so this can spend some more time on the branches. What I mean by cracked cone is over here is a good example. Here's a purple haze. If you look really carefully right above my finger, you can see that little crack. See it? It's a little hint of pink. And that shows you that this is going to split open and the ants are going to get in there pretty quick. So I like to cut them or pick them when I see a split like that. Now another thing you can do, I have Trisha over here, is the wiggle test. That does work well, but that's a little vague. And you can see this Trisha starting to turn color. But the wiggle test is, you can see it's loose, but also you can twist back and forth. So that's how I do the wiggle test, up and down, and I twist it. So this looks really ripe. I'll probably pick this tonight. And on this one, wiggle test, it's loose, and I can twist it as well. So both of these are just about ripe. Probably give them another day or two. Now another thing you can do, let's go check out El Grullo over here, is what I kind of call the push test on the flesh. Now that's another thing I learned from Julio at Wallace Ranch, is that when it's ripe, you can just kind of push and feel that there's a little bit of play, like the flesh inside is soft. And so that's another thing you can do. And I can squeeze it right here and feel a little bit of, let's see if I can show you. You can see that where it pushes down a little bit. It's not super hard, so that's another sign that this El Grullo is ripe. Also the color, and up and down, and I can twist. So this is definitely ripe. I'm gonna pick that tonight. Now color can be a little misleading. Here's some more ripe varieties over here. This is the Unknown Road. But you can see the cone is not cracked. Up and down, it's a little bit tighter, doesn't twist very much. So I bet these can stay on for a few more days here. Here's another one. But they're almost ripe, so I'm checking these every day, and I'll probably remove them and harvest them in about 2 more days. So there you go. I hope that helps a little bit. There are also some things that you can see that some colors are misleading, because plants like Rainbow or this unknown one from George Emmerich Jr. that I have, you can see it changes yellow and just these dynamic colors, but it's still not ripe. If you pick it when it's turning these colors, it's definitely going to be picked too early. Okay, so there you go. I hope that helps. Give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks so much for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. And hopefully you'll have some beautiful dragon fruit to harvest, and you can use these strategies to make sure that they're ripe. See, this one needs more time too, a few more days. Okay, all right, take care.